Hello, my name is Susan, and today we're going to be addressing the application of the QuickChange Male Incontinence Wrap on a gentleman who has retracted anatomy, simply meaning that his shaft will not accommodate the wrap in order to anchor it to his body. So we're going to show you a little demonstration, and hopefully this will help answer all of your questions. Here's our gentleman. And the wrap is going to be applied with the print side against his skin and the tabs following his legs. You want to get as close to the base of his anatomy as possible. Once that's done, you may want to apply a little barrier cream to protect the scrotum and testicles. You're going to gently lift the scrotum and testicles up, and you're going to scoop under the anatomy, creating a pouch of sorts. Then you're going to take your blue tab and you're going to give it a pinch to the fabric, and that's all there is to it. So the scrotum and the testicles and the penis are all enclosed. Now you may want to ask, what's to keep the urine from overcoming the top when it's left open? Well, generally, incontinent gentlemen do not have a strong enough stream to overcome the top of the wrap. But until you get to know the QuickChange Wrap and use it repeatedly, you can take a little piece of tape and just close the center just like this. You like to keep the sides open. That's going to help maintain skin integrity. It's going to help release any type of moisture, heat that could cause issues later on. Thank you again for joining, and if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to jump on our website at QuickChange.com. Thanks again.